All right, welcome back. This is Rex from the Tube Data Workshop here on YouTube, and we use SQL Server or Microsoft Access to go through several databases where we find video topics which you can use for your podcast channel or for whatever you're doing, your blog. And we try to come up with hundreds and hundreds of video topics which you might find interesting and which you could use to grow your channel. So let's get into it. Today's topic is the topic of phishing. So let me go ahead and get my screen a little bit bigger for you. And we are going to go right into SQL Server. Let me get my mouse over here. We're using the Two Data Workshop database, which I created in SQL Server. This is SQL Server right over here. Now, I come from an island, Curacao, which there are a lot of people who like to go fishing, of course. Curacao is known for nice beaches, white sand, palm trees, and 80-degree weather all year round. And a lot of people like to go to the pier or like to go to the shore. They like to go to the beaches to go do some fishing. So I went ahead and I went to the Answer the Public database and I queried it for some things regarding fishing, and I got all their questions. And right off the bat, I got 79 rows. These are all related to the topic of fishing, and we're just pulling the questions right here. So these are in no particular order. Actually, these are just in order of alphabetical order by suggestion. Um, are fishing lines sharp? Are fishing poles open? Are fishing reel handles interchangeable? I don't do much fishing myself, but I know from where I'm from, a lot of people like to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and get on a fishing boat or get in their little rowboat or they go sit on the pier. It's something that a lot of parents and grandparents like to do with their children. Get up early in the morning, go to the lake or go to the beach and go do some fishing. Um, so I'm coming up with 79 rows, which doesn't sound like much, but if you have a fishing channel or a blog or a podcast and you talk about fishing, um, I have a lot of video topics right off the bat, which I'm just getting from Answer the Public alone. So now, without further ado, let's go look at vidIQ. Now, vidIQ was besides just the questions, I also have numeric data. So I have related score, search volume, competition, and overall. And then I also have here the keyword search, number of words, modifier type, and modifier. Now remember these columns over here, keyword searched, modifier type, and modifier. These are columns which I added to the table, and it's just to mimic the data from Answer the Public, where we run a stored procedure, which then puts a label for all the data in vidIQ and also labels everything according to what it is. Is it a question? Is it a preposition? Is it a comparison? Etc. Etc. So let's highlight this. And now we're getting all the questions from vidIQ, and where the keyword searched is either fishing or outdoors. And let me go ahead and make this wider. So there's some of these are in Spanish. I think some of these are in Portuguese. Here we go. How bad is fishing? How do you make a fishing net? How does fishing net work? Fishing hooks, fishing nets, fishing rods. How you make fishing reels, rods. So we got a couple of nice ones here. If you have a fishing channel, then these are all great ideas which you could use. You can answer these questions and generate video topics for your videos by answering these questions over here. So I'm getting 295 rows, and this is all coming from vidIQ. And these are just the questions right over here. If you're interested in some of this data, please send me an email or comment on this channel at the bottom of this video, and I'll respond to that. So here, this is another way of writing the SQL for those of you who are interested in SQL. I'm getting the same 295 rows. And what I'm doing here is I'm just saying where keywords in fishing or and comma outdoors and modifier type is questions. Same query. Okay. Now you're saying, well, we're also getting this data from vidIQ. We're getting the sum of we're getting the related score, search volume, competition, and overall. So you're saying, you know what? Let's use the data from vidIQ, which we don't have on Answer the Public, and let's go ahead. Can we find out which one of these keywords are the ones that people search for the most? So we're going to go and search on fishing and outdoors, and we're going to run this, and then we're going to group everything together, sum everything up so we don't get any duplicates, and then we're going to search this. We're going to sort this by the search volume from a descending order from the highest to lowest. So we're going to sort by this column over here, search volume, this column over here. Okay, how to build, how to fish, how to fishing, how to fight fish in the fishing plan, how to make fishing bobbers, how to tie a snell knot, how to get fishing, how to make a fishing rod, how to catch bowfish fishing. Uh, let's see here, how to catch cave shark, how to go really deep. Um, Let me see here, how to catch spotted bass, how to get fishing rod, how to level up in fishing, how to get shark egg. Wow. So now we're getting, these are the ones that people really search for the most. And you see over here, we're going down in descending order in popularity. How to use fishing rod in Minecraft. Some of these are gaming related, of course. Let's see, how to get wish maker fishing rod, how to get fish simulator. This is gaming related. How to change the tip of a fishing rod, something about licensing, how to set up a fishing rod, how bad is fishing. I don't know much about fishing, so some of these are new to me. How to get neon fish in fishing simulator, how do fishing nets work. So as you see, I'm getting a lot of them, almost 300 ideas right there. So we can take all the ideas from vidIQ and merge them together with Answer the Public, and that's it, right? Answer the Public, just those two together. And we're going to try to eliminate duplicates. So then we're just going to make a list, and we're coming up with 373 ideas, and these are all sorted. These are all in order of suggestion, and we're only pulling one column. We're just making a list right over here. So these are all related to fishing and outdoors. As you can see, I'm coming up with an even longer list. I'm getting over 370 items right here. These are all questions, of course, related to fishing and outdoors. But I'm not done yet. We also have some data from QuestionDB. Not a lot because I don't have a paid subscription to their website. So I'm only getting 49 rows over here. So these are also related to fishing. And that's about it. I only queried their website once. So we're getting 49 from them. I tried merging everything together. Let me see. We're getting everything here from Answer the Public, QuestionDB, and vidIQ. So we're going to try to merge all of this together. Now, what are we going to get? We're getting 420 rows. So this is everything from all three tables. And we're just making a list. We're listing everything alphabetically, and we're trying to eliminate the duplicates by using, over here, we're using distinct. So what do we get over here? These are all related to fishing again. I'm getting 420 rows. Again, it's a little bit over 400 ideas, all related to fishing. In the last video that I made, we did create a view, the one which we did about soccer. So I can still query the view, and I can say over here where keyword in fishing, and outdoors. So I'm just pulling everything from the view, which if I remember correctly, pulls everything from Answer the Public and vidIQ. but it doesn't do any grouping or sorting or anything. So it just pulls all the data out. And here I'm also getting 453 rows. So right over there, you could see what the keyword is that I'm pulling over here. It's fish and fishing, and it should also pull one or two rows from outdoors. And these are all the questions. It's only pulling all the questions. So you see with the last two queries that I'm running, I'm still getting over 400 rows, all related to fishing. Now, some of these are related to gaming, of course, um, how to fish in Fishing Simulator and Roblox. So they're not totally related to sitting on the dock and throwing out your fishing line. This has to do with gaming, of course. Um, Here, Roblox again. So um, you have to really read over these one by one. A lot of these have to do with fishing. Here's one about Minecraft, how to make a small fishing hut in Minecraft. So some of these are related to gaming. Yeah. How to properly cast a fishing rod, how to put a line on a fishing rod, how to put beads on a fishing line. These are all related to fishing. There you go. How to put weight on a fishing line, how to remove tip from a fishing rod. I hear Minecraft again. But it's fun. These are all related to fishing. So there you go. So a lot of good ideas right off the bat. So that's pretty good. If you got any value out of this, please let me know. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have anything that you'd like me to cover in a future video, then please send me an email or post a comment and let me know what you think, and I'll gladly research it and I'll cover it in a future video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a future video.